guys, so today's video I'm gonna show you some example of physical and chemical changes. So the title of this video is showing physical and chemical changes in my preparation of breakfast. So the purpose of this video is to show some example of physical and chemical changes and to explain what is physical and chemical changes and to know what are the difference of physical to chemical changes. So, first thing that we will prepare for now for our breakfast, we will cook a rice first. So, in this video, the materials that we need is first we need rice cooker, rice, and water. Here's the procedure. So, we will prepare the rice. I'm gonna cook just 1 cup of rice. The next procedure, we will add the water. We will add the water to the rice to clean the rice. So, in this, we mix water and rice, and as you can see, it's still a rice. It's still hard and nothing changed. Just to clean it. So, this is what we call an example of physical change. Even you wash it, the water and rice are not dissolved, and it is called physical changes. I'm gonna cook the rice. So guys, this is the result of my cooked rice. Yan. As you can see, the water that I mix in rice disappear, and the rice become more soft, and that's this is a cooked rice. So this is an example of chemical change. Some ingredient disappear, some materials disappear, and that's the result. The rice becomes soft, and now it is ready for my meal. So now, next I'm going to cook my viand. Experiment that I will do. So I will cook an egg. So I will fry it. So the materials that we need is cup, the egg for the ingredients, salt, and pepper for some spices to add flavor to the egg. And the materials is cup, is hello, and so because I don't have whisk, I use fork, and of course the fat, cooking pot, and the induction cookers where will we fry the egg. So first thing is, we will cut the egg using this fork. So this process or this procedure is one example of physical change because I cut the shell of the egg and the egg yolk of the egg is separated in this its shell. So this is an example of physical changes. There is still an egg. So what happened only is the egg yolk is removed from its egg shell. So we will do it to another egg. That's it. So next, we will add some salt and pepper for the. So this is the egg. We will add salt. Just add and some pepper. This one. So I will show you this. So next we will mix them. Mix the salt, the pepper, and the egg. We will beat that. So this is another example of physical changes. We mix these ingredients, but there's still a process that We just only dissolve the ingredients. It's an example of physical changes. But this is what we call a mixture. Mixture. Where the salt, peppers dissolve to the egg. So you see, so the salt is dissolved, so it's more homogeneous, and the pepper that we use is the more ground. Cook the egg, so we gonna introduce. So we gonna heat first the cooking pan. Next, put first the oil. If the oil is already heated, we're gonna put now the mixture of egg. Here's the result of the frying an egg. From frying an egg causes the egg's protein to change permanently in texture and in appearance through a process called denaturing. The liquid becomes a solid and the white of the egg goes from being basically clear to being literally white. So that is the result of frying an egg. So this is what we call an example of chemical change. All for today's video. So I hope you learned something about physical and chemical changes. The difference between them, in physical, there's no changes happen. Just as a mix or whatsoever. In chemical, there's changes happen and it's not, you can back again, or it's not, it is what we call irreversible. So thank you for listening, and thank you for viewing my video. That's all for today. Thank you.